mas pinalakas sa paghatid ng mga pinakahuling kaganapan saan man sa Ilocania at Cordillera, higit 2 dekada ng pinagkakatiwalaan. Ito ang radyong pambalitaan ng Tiradpas Network. DZTP, Radyo Tiradpas.
Malam di Biyernes kagayam na imbaga malam yumanan. Ato'y nga intay ang kakadwamanan dila ito programa tayo, Music and Memories. May isa programa, pakitampukan, nagiti all-time favorite love songs of yesteryears. Nagiti ko natin yung nalabit, ante yung manggaganan, nga matoy nga intay biyagin nila, babae nito na ito yung programa tayo. Music and Memories. Sabay lang akong mata da kayong matngarunan, tabno yung tayo rugyanan. Ito yung tayo pang parelax na programa tayo. Abang ngagan mabuya iti YouTube kan iti DZTP Digital TV. Nakadwa kita iti technical side. Jan Gumintong and Joe Marie Habab kay Jan Gumintong. Yan. Okay, at man ito'y pagayam yun. Pagayam yun, tinangatang ken kanagitilang langalang your dear Manong June. Okay, di oras tayon, 1:34.
Put a smile upon my face when there was nothing left but sorrow. You showed me how to live again, and I'm so grateful for your love. I bless the day you came to me, for God has sent me down an angel, and you have turned the tide and made the world seem bright. You and you alone have turned the dark to light. You're my everything. No one can make me feel the way you do. There can be no one but you. My lonely days are gone. You gave me strength when I was falling. I pray we never say goodbye. I can't go on without your love. I know there might be troubled times, but we can work it out together. And you have turned the tide and made the world seem bright. You and you alone have turned the dark to light. You're my everything. No one can make me feel the way you do. There can be no one but you. I know there might be troubled times, but we can work it out together. 'Cause you have turned the tide and made the world seem bright. You and you alone have turned the dark to light. You're my everything. No one can make me feel the way you do. There can be no one but you. And when our life on earth is over, and all our worldly things are through, I know we still will be together forevermore, just me and you.
Feelings, nothing more than feeling, trying to forget my feelings of love. Teardrops rolling down on my face, trying to forget my feelings of love. Feelings, for all my life I'll feel it. I've never met you, girl. You'll never come again. Feeling, whoa, 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 feeling, whoa, whoa, feeling, again in my arms. Feelings, feelings like I've never lost you, and feelings like I've never have you, again in my heart. feel it. I wish I'd never met you, girl. You'll never come again. Feelings like I've never lost you, and feelings like I'll never have you again in my life. Feeling, oh, feeling, oh, feeling again in my arms. Feeling, oh, feeling. We used to laugh, we used to cry, we used to talk about forever, you and I, and love was all we seemed to need. I still recall sometimes the way we used to be. When did we change? Where has love gone? We can't explain it, but we know there's something wrong. And all that's left of you and me is just a memory of the way we used to be. I can remember when we used to be the best of friends. Now suddenly we don't know what to say. If there's a chance that we could bring the feeling back again, I've got to try. Why don't you stay? 'Cause in my heart I think you know I tried to hide it, but I just can't let you go. It's not too late for you and me to be in love again the way we used to be. It's not too late for you and me to be in love again the way we
be competing on Tuesday. Jerry Eagle, Joe Standerman, Choco Mocho, Pedro Blas. I'd like to welcome you all in Canon City. Thank you to the President, Ricky Palum, for allowing us to host the PDL in Canon City. My warmest greetings to all the teams who are here this afternoon. Welcome to Canon City.
Ado iti maited nga materials for the construction of the sanitary toilets. We have 200 beneficiaries from the 38 barangays apo nga identified.
Sa ito ay may tata rigete barangay pagpatrol iti barangay Tanod karigiti barangay kan kasama ta na katulungan ti barangay karigiti kasapulan da o darigiti masaksakit kan da dumapay nga pakasapulan ti barangay da datoy nga nayon yay multicab nga naiwaras pay kada. Kasapulan daw na datoy ta nalawa ngamin ti barangay kada rigat damat nga gikot no awan ti lugay da.
Okay, tayo nga rin sublihan ang programa tayo Music and Memories. Oras sa 1:53. Kumusta man ang naging medical frontliners, hindi naman tayo nyo, nyaman naman ang naging kaharamidan ka, kalagito yakan nito, sa pailang umata na salunat kayo. Kanayon, tamdo kanayon nga damang bantay, mang taming, kanagiti pasyente nga da, kanagiti balay pagagasan. At siyempre, kanagiti adamol papalaing, kanagiti babalay, alas sa pailang umamata, umimbag kayon. Nagtaray nga normal tibiyag. Kasama tayong kanagiti kapulisan tayo. Nagiti kasuldadwan, kumusta kayo matapo? Kaya nagiti OFW, so the Overseas Filipino Workers. Wala kumamot, awang kumalagiti na iramraman ni Jay Manakauram, ti may nagiti apartment building si Jay Hong Kong niya. Political man ni Jay. Naman, sawat, ha? But anyway, kumusta kayo mat nga OFW? Sa di naman mananti na kay turungan ti sa kayong magtrabaho. Alasa pala kung manatalgad kayo, wag naman ang pamilyayo. Nagiti senior citizens, kumusta kayo muna po? Alwadan tayo, tanay dito'y panyampo na sabalay. Panagbaran na Yan po, doon minsan, naglamiis, lang runay di parbangon. Makaala tayo kadagiti saksakit, nagrunay iti panaguyat, kas kada panateng. Basta po, masapol tayo protection tayo. Itinaldaw kontra kadagito yung nagduduma saksakit. Ito yung Pito-Pito Plus Herbal Capsule. Kanain mi nga ibaga ka na kayo. Nga inay-nayon tayo ito'y Pito-Pito Plus Herbal Capsule. Kada kiti tumtumaran tayo tinaldaw-aldaw. Tapos na kasta maspay, ha? Napigpig siya tayo panang kontra tayo. Kada kiti sumbra ka nga saksakit iti bagbagi tayo. May isang food supplement. Kana kailaunan na iti 8 herbal plant extracts. 8, apo. Hadlang may sa 2, 3, 4, 8. Pakiramanan tayo dati, banaba. Lagundi, dangla ko na tayo niya. Subusob, Buno Sambong, Red Alingatong, Nagyaya, Santon Mangustin, Serpentina, ayan. Panyawan pa gayam, Panyawan makabuhay, turmeric, nabakid. Yung puta napanagnagan nga nagitoy nga herbal traditional medicinal plants kat makaagas na babayan iti panang padpadas hindi dagitay nagkauna nga mangagas. Dinaprubaran nga ti Food and Drug Administration. Dapat yung herbal coffee tayo po niya, Pito-Pito Plus Herbal Coffee. Dapat yung Pito-Pito Plus Herbal Oil. Antay mo libatan, baka kahit tayo mo ti kape, wino agsapsapo. Nagito ti nayon nga produkto. Pito-Pito Plus Herbal Capsule, katawan ay protektado, kalusugan ay garantisado. Well, ito yung arunan di may isang motivational quote tayo itang malem. Manipo din may isang American author ni Gary Zukav. Kuna na eventually, you will come to understand that love heals everything and love is all there is. I love quote kaya. Mamiris muntong agasang dayam ti ayat amin abanag. Addaken kwa na ti amin. Ayan. So, dito ang karot kagayam. Di ba muna love quote tayo itamalem. Dito yung programa tayo. Music and Memories. At ni Lani Hall. I don't want you to go.
Exactly how it all began. The dream just walked away. I'm holding on when all but the passion's gone. When from the start, maybe I was trying too hard. It's crazy 'cause it's breaking my heart. Things can fall apart, but I know that I don't want you to go. And heroes die when they ignore the cause inside, but they learn from what's left behind and fight for something else. It's crazy 'cause it's breaking my heart. Things can fall apart, but I know that I don't want you to go. Oh, it's just too much, taking on the whole world all by myself. Well, there's not enough
is one of the main purpose of this hospital. Kapno ti kasta, ada tumarayan ti tattao, ngandang agbiyahe ti adayo. Right now, mapanda ti San Fernando, mapanda jay Batak, mapanda jay Manila. No, dayay lalo di kita maoperaren iti kidney, puso, kan di kita mang agpaagas ti cancer, mapanda amin jay Metro Manila. Now, I hope that one day, dito nga hospital, madaanon tayon iti dayjay tertiary. When it becomes tertiary, it means we will have consultants. Kat aming akita ti sakit ton, ma-addressan ton dito nga hospital.
Ako po si Jane Vallejo and I'm graduate of Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University, and first and foremost, gusto ko pong magpasalamat kay Ma'am Congressman Deputy Christine Singson, kasi kung wala po siya, hindi po magiging possible na mukha po namin yung mga allowance namin na parang ganito. We're so privileged po na matanggap namin yung mga ganito. Kasi yung ibang students po, hindi po sila nakakuha ng ganitong kalaki na every semester nakakuha. Yung iba po kasi 5,000 one time lang po yung ano nila, financial assistance. Tapos kami po,
bigat isumuti pangalam anti dagiti scholars, so year in year out malaala da dati allowance nga gaputi CHED because they were granted a scholarship. So congratulations to these 66 students nga amok nga to get a CHED scholarship, ko they're like one of the top students dito yung district tayo for them to get the tulong dunong, to be part of tulong dunong program of CHED. So congratulations man kada kayo.
Okay. Nagpukaw tayo ti eri tatay. Naawan. Ti YouTube. Anyway, nagsubling, ha? At ito mga rudan nga agsublimat. Ito na iti programa na yung Music and Memories. Kumusta mo nan, dagitay ag-birthday tangal daw. Ni Kuya Coach Robert Pasyon. Ito na San Roque. Santiago Ilocos. Kuya Coach, happy birthday. Ayam mo. Kami man makikape plus saba. Ayan, nalintang saba. Kasama ka ni Mayan Jasen, Niti Salcedo. Oy, Justin Rodriguez. Sir Ray Gulisaw, iti DILG Locosur. Ay, iti kanakak ni Joyce Callejo, iti Santa Cruz. Kumusta kita Pilar ken Pinipin, Santa Cruz. Iti Callejo family, kumusta kayo mo ito po? Birthday pa gam ni Filma, yung baile, di Darapidap. Ni Bats George ng Escobar, si Mang Potkan. Nakan sama in Manila, karag ito naglapas nga lawlawas na. Yan. Raymond Ragonton, happy birthday po. Idi kalman da Chris May Dingle. Ni yung aking apong si Kayleen Ignacio. And hindi kalmanmat ni Precious Angela Eugenio Paganahe. Happy birthday, Idi Kalman, belated. Tawag Idi Kalman, tada ay sitang napanan tayo. Well, happy birthday, kada kita dumangahan nga na iraman na kita nagnaganda, kung kami nga nakita po, pasensya. Yung matuwing income ida, ha? Income na kayo. Kablawan iti naragsakan kay panagkasangay. Kasama ka nagitira dumapay nga ang celebrando niya managiting kay laglagi pa na celebraran. Happy celebration. Ala, ti apo, tadang manarabay, magipay ka na kayo, kanagin bendisyon, nagro naman tinananay sa lunyatsyo. Kasagtulid manan ti aldaw panawin nyo, ngagbiag itirabaw ti daga. Okay, at tingarod na kayo MT, may Brenda Gaboy kini Armando Gaboy, kumusta kita? Manipod kini Barbara De Angelis, may isang American relationship consultant, lecturer, may isang author. Puna na to'y love and kindness are never wasted. Love and kindness are never wasted. They always make a difference. They bless the one who receives them, and they bless you, the giver. Ti ayat kan kinaanos din tubulos masayang naidadadu madangamin ta paraburan na dagiti umawat kastamatan daytay nangipaay. Well, another love quote kagayam din kayo nangigan iti programa dayo, Music and Memories. Ito ni David Gates.
Can't say I don't love her, still I can't pretend, and my heart is torn just knowing that I'm losing my best friend. If it's easier said than done, then someone tell me why. Though I try, I can't find the words to say goodbye. I could tell her that I'm sorry and hope she'll understand. She will have to do with someone else all that we had planned. I'd rather her hear the truth than hurt her with a lie. So I try, but I can't find the words to say goodbye. Now I know I have told her see you later, then I might be wrong. 'Cause this voice inside is driving me to find where I belong. And I know I must leave her now, but every time I try, don't know why, but I can't find the words to say goodbye. Don't know why, I can't find the words to say goodbye. Girl, you are to me all that a woman should be, and I dedicate my life to you always.
A love like yours is rare. It must have been sent from up above, and I know you'll stay this way for always. And we both know that our love will grow, and forever it will be.
Joe Standerman, Choco Mocho, Pedro Ocas. I'd like to welcome you all in London City. Thank you to the President, Ricky Balong, for allowing us to host the PDL in London City. My warmest greetings to all the teams who are here this afternoon. Welcome to London City.
Seven Healthy Habits para sa Healthy Pilipinas. Sa mundong ginagalawan, pagandaan ng Big One. Kamay, sa sakit, sa isip sa gawa. Reduce, reuse, recycle na basura. Leave nothing but footprint. Do it Seiyan. Kalusugan ay unahin at mamanahin ng mamamayan. Ay Healthy Pilipinas, malakas sa magandang bukas. Ang bawat Pilipino sa mundo, sa ulan ng pitong ito. Sa Healthy Habits ko na to. Para sa Healthy Pilipinas.
Pagkasat kayo, ang kaya nyo magpagang dito yung siguro distrito, at least hanati ka babayan na po dagiti ay managaya tunay nga leaders na dito yung kanonan kita Deputy Speaker Christine na po Mayor Eric Singson kaya dito na dumaduma pa nga leaders na dito sa distrito.
Inaalat ko for TESDA for 2023 to 5 million and nagitili na duma-duma training na gabo TESDA, production of organic fertilizer, production of organic concoction, carpentry, masonry, welding, electrical installation and maintenance, tile setting, dressmaking, bread and pastry production, basta di pinag-graduatean mo, food processing, salting, food processing, pickling, food processing, sugar concentration, cookery and C2, prepare hot meals, prepare cold meals, then visual graphic design. So, nandiyan pwede na ito ma-training, mapaling na ma-implement natin yung year for 2023. At
I would like to thank our Deputy Speaker, Ms. Christine, for having generously sponsored TESDA Scholarship Program and also awarding us these starter kits for each one of us. I feel very honored not only have received these starter kits, but also to live in a community where there are so many opportunities to get involved.
Bueno, di oras tayo, alas 2:30. Nito pala yung programa tayo, Music and Memories. Well, Well, ito yung araw din ti may sapay nga motivational quote tayo. Kaspaset pa lang na di programa tayo itamalem. Programa tayo ng mga gan Lunes, saging gan at Biyernes, di kasi nga oras. Kula na, the more you feed your mind with positive thoughts, the more you attract great things into your life. Iti kada nayunam, kada kiti positibo, aba nagdayta panunot mo. Maladumet asumbrek dagiti napipindas sa banbanag, ditabiyag mo. Another motivational quote kagiyem, bigkay ng igan, dito pa lang ang programa tayo, Music and Memories.
I look out and I see the rain as it falls on my window pane, and the music that's in my heart is a sad refrain. Endless traffic of sounds and sights amidst the glitter of neon lights. Still the music that's in my heart is the same sad refrain. Memories of you follow everywhere I go, down the high and byways of my days. Music of your laughter fills my every dream like a love song from long ago. Never-ending streams of faces come and go, million different people all around. No use searching for, I'll never find you there, for you are far beyond compare. Take a jet to a hideaway from the humdrum of every day. Yet the music that's in my heart is the same sad refrain. Memories of you follow everywhere I go, down the high and byways of my days. Music of your laughter fills my every dream like a love song from long ago. Never-ending streams of faces come and go, million different people all around. No use searching for, I'll never find you there, for you are far beyond compare. La, da, 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 da. No use searching for, I'll never, no use searching for, I'll never find you there, for you are far beyond compare.
It's wonderful to see you once again, to see you smile and hear you call my name. There is so much to say. Hey, it isn't accidental that we met. Your love is something that I can't forget. So I wandered your way. Hey, if you is a wealth of yesteryears. Let us live for today. Hey, although we play the game of love and lust, I wouldn't change a single dream, because if you lose, you must pay. It's true, I've had so many other loves to share, but I would close my eyes and you'd be there. No matter where I go, you are everywhere. If you come back to me and see how much I care, I only want to live if you are there to give your love to me. Hey, don't let me spend another day alone. Remember all the happiness we've known. Let's relive yesterday. Hey, we've known a world of loneliness and pain. We'll never make the same mistakes again. Hey, if only you'll stay. It's true, I've had so many other loves to share, but I would close my eyes and you'll be there. No matter where I go, you are everywhere. If you come back to me and see how much I care, I only want to live if you are there. To be with you, I'd travel anywhere. It's true, I've had so many other loves to share, but I would close my eyes and you'd be there. No matter where I go, you are everywhere.
Day after day, I must face a world of strangers where I don't belong, and that it's wrong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to who will always care. You're always there when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. So many times when the city seems to be without a friendly face, a lonely place, it's nice to know that you'll be there if I need you, and you'll always smile. It's all worthwhile when there's no getting over that rainbow. When my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't last a day without you. Touch me and I end up singing.
smile you can't forget, and if the music plays on in your mind, take all the love that you can find, and if love takes you in, take all the love that you can find, and hope it comes again. Love comes from the most unexpected places. A love song on the radio you never hear enough of. In bars that thrive on loneliness, where people sell their sorrow for your time. They take the love that they can find, and if love takes them in, they take the love that they can find, and hope it comes again. Love comes in many ways, in lovers' arms and sweet embrace. But if nothing's said, then nothing's ever heard. But here I stand outside your door, and I'm trying to tell you just once more that I love you. I still love you. Ooh, baby, I love you. Love comes from the most unexpected places. In someone's eyes you've never met, who wants to get to know you. Someone's smile you can't forget, and if the music plays on in your mind, take all the love that you can find, and if love takes you in, take all the love that you can find, and hope it comes again. Take all the love that you can find, and hope it comes again.
Nagado nga kakao, fruits. Nga maperper dita, awa mo tagaramid. Ita tanti naramid ko, magpaaramid at sa dambak ko ito hindi nga aramid nga may isa. Una nga nagyay tablayan. Habang nagpaparamid at adalit mo at yay, pampamayan na. Ay, awanti, dati ko pa organic share, awanti nailalo na no preservatives added kung man na yay. How to cook kada yay, na pagmalinam nga chocolate. Maminsan ang sarwap ko 9 kilos. And then, DJ 9 kilos, 4 days. Less than 200 rules. Nututubo maka-ison ati katulungat ti unig ti pamilya ko makatulong dito yung para kanyak sir napinta sa launay. Tanalagan mo, ngamin ta, kayang-kaya mo ito, so makunak kita siya. Dati tableya, sir, ready to eat. Ipangan mo tin na po yun niya, natibig-big aramidem nga chocolate drink, slakapen. Naimas nakirad ka, sir. Uwan na tatek ka kasi agam kamakam ka kasi mo ti tao nga gumayagala diyan ko nga aramid de ipang ko de. Aging gana ti kabaelak, sir, hanggang mi surrender. Ngayon, dagi anak ko, isa ti treatment nga sumaruno. May pakaamo na siya at ti produkto tayo nga kakao dito ay Salcedo.
Okay, alas 2:51 di oras tayo. Dito pa lang programa ng Music and Memories. Alakad to yan ti may katlon ka motivational quote tayo nga rin di tamalem. Ganun na. The more you feed your mind with positive thoughts, the more you attract great things into your life. Iti kada nayunam, kada iti positiba ang bambanag, ta panunot mo, umadaduma ta sumbrek dagiti napipintas sa banbanag, di tabiyag mo. Well, dito nga rin may katlon, ka motivational quote kagayam, dito pala ang programa tayo. Music and Memories.
Darling, you can count on me till the sun dries up the sea. Until then, I'll always be devoted to you. I'll be yours through endless time. I'll adore your sublime. Guess by now you know that I'm devoted to you. I'll never hurt you, I'll never lie, I'll never be untrue. I'll never give you reason to cry. I'd be unhappy if you were blue. Through the years my love will grow. Like a river it will flow. It can't die because I'm so devoted to you. I'll never hurt you, I'll never lie, I'll never be untrue. I'll never give you reason to cry. I'd be unhappy if you were blue. Through the years my love will grow. Like a river it will flow. It can't die because I'm so devoted to you.
I've been wandering early and late from New York City to the Golden Gate, and it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. My daddy was an engineer, my brother drives a hack, my sister takes in laundry while the baby balls a jack. And it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. I've been in the army, I worked on a farm, and all I've got to show is the muscle in my arm. And it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. My mom, she died when I was young. My daddy took to stealing and he got hung. And it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. Snakes in the ocean, eels in the sea. I let a red-headed woman make a fool out of me. And it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. Well, I've been wandering early and late from the New York City to the Golden Gate, and it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. No, it don't look like I'll ever stop my wandering. In the early morning rain, with $1 in my hand and an aching in my heart, and my pockets full of sand. I'm a long way from home, and I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, tasted good, and the women all were fast. There she goes, my friend, she's a-rolling down at last. Hear the mighty engine roar, see the silver wing on high, see the silver wing on high. She's away and westward bound, far above the clouds she flies, where the morning rain don't fall, and the sun always shines. She'll be flying o'er my home in about 3 hours' time. This old airport's got me down. It's no earthly good to me, 'cause I'm stuck here on the ground, cold and drunk as I might be. Can't jump a jet plane like I can a freight train, so I'd best be on my way in the early morning rain. So I'd best be on my way in the early morning rain.
An only child, alone and wild, a cabinet maker's son. His hands were meant for different work, and his heart was known to none. He left his home and went his lone and solitary way, and he gave to me a gift I know I never can repay. A quiet man of music, denied a simpler fate. He tried to be a soldier once, but his music wouldn't wait. He earned his love through discipline, a thundering velvet hand. His gentle means of sculpting souls took me years to understand. The leader of the band is tired and his eyes are growing old, but his blood runs through my instrument and his song is in my soul. My life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. My brother's lives were different, for they heard another call. One went to Chicago and the other to St. Paul. And I'm in Colorado when I'm not in some hotel, living out this life I've chose and come to know so well. Thank you for the music and your stories of the road. I thank you for the freedom when it came my time to go. I thank you for the kindness and the times when you got tough. And Papa, I don't think I'd
said, I love you near enough. The leader of the band is tired and his eyes are growing old, but his blood runs through my instrument and his song is in my soul. My life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. I am a living legacy to the leader of the band.
You can dance, every dance with the guy who gives you the eye, let him hold you tight. You can smile, every smile for the man who held your hand neath the pale moonlight. But don't forget who's taking you home and in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, say the last dance for me. Oh, I know that the music's fine, like sparkling wine. Go and have your fun. Laugh and sing. But while we're apart, don't give your heart to anyone. But don't forget who's taking you home and in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, say the last dance for me. Baby, don't you know I love you so? Can't you feel it when we touch? I will never, never let you go. I love you oh so much. You can dance, go and carry on till the night is gone and it's time to go. If he asks, if you're all alone, can he take you home? You must tell him no. 'Cause don't forget who's taking you home and in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, say the last dance for me. Cause don't forget who's taking you home and in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, say the last dance for me. Say the last dance for me. Say the last dance for me.
Services closer to the people. And so for the last week or so, the Love for All team went to different municipalities. They went to the municipality of Quirino, municipality of Cervantes, municipality of Santa Cruz. There were over 3,500 patients that received medical services. Dapat dito sa Candon, pero sabi ng Mary yung sa iba na lang kasi set na daw sila sa Candon.
Maysa kami nga napili. Ta dakal unay nga tulong daytoy ta libre amin ang laboratory, X-ray and everything, pati dental, and of course the agas.
Nasaya at med sir ta natulungan da kami nga marigrigat adumot tin na iparanod na kanyame.
Very grateful kami iti opisina ni Congresswoman Christine iti panakay-prioritize ti Quirino. And grateful kami mutlang iti opisina ni First Lady Liza Marcos. Syempre, siguro amuda nga mas kailangan mi dito ngamin iso nga inpaigda dito yan. Considering dayjay ni biyahe ngamin. Iso nga, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Sa inyo pangangalagang pangkalusugan sa bawat isang Pilipino.
And thank you also to especially for the Love for All program spearheaded by our First Lady of the Republic of the Philippines, Luis Araneta Marcos. We thank her na she chose Candon for, and of course, yung Love for All program natin, it started last Thursday, and we thank them na yung medical services at least napadala ulit through the Love for All program.
Unay inyag ito ni First Lady dito yung Love for All. At makita tayo mati kaaduti tattao nga may parati dato yung programa na medical mission kan adu pa kita other agencies, national agencies nga may makipagtulong pa kiti programa da.
Amo tayo met nga dati nga programa na apo ket adu iti matultulukan na ket naswerte tayo ta ditoy met probinsya ting Ilocosur nang ron na ditoy syudad ti Candon ti napili da nga aramidan ditoy Love for All. So adu manen iti kaprobinsyan tayo nga matulungan no panggep ti kitoy nga serbisyo iti gobyerno.
Nais namin ipaalala na ang pagtatayo ng bahay sa ilalim o malapit sa linya ng kuryente ay labis na mapanganib. Kapag aksidenteng maputol ang kable ng kuryente, maaari itong makasunog ng mga kabahayan at makamatay. Dahil dikit-dikit ang mga bahay, mabilis nakakalat ang apoy. At kapag tumama ang matinding kalamidad, maaaring matumba ang tore ng kuryente at direktang gumuho ang tore sa bahay ninyo. Ang paalalang ito ay mula po sa NGCP.
Let's wander Baguio's Evergreen Parks. Baguio's high altitude makes it the ideal habitat for the starling. Plus a rich and varied flora. Go park hopping all you want. One thing's for sure, the views are always breathtaking. Hop on to your next virtual tour.
Mauding aruden paset di program mo tayo. At yung aruden di mauding motivational quote di tambalem. Kuna na. Your mind is a powerful thing. When you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will start to change. Bilbilang gabanag dahita panuno mo. Utak mo, tano kinargaam ka rin positibo abambanag when ka pang panunutan. Mangrugimet ngagbaliw yung tabiyag mo. Life will start to change. Moding arunan nga motivational quote kagayem. Dito program mo tayo, Music and Memories.
when streams are ripe and swelled with rain, may she will stay, resting in my arms again. In restless walk she'll prowl the night. July she will fly and give no warning to her flight. August, die she must. The autumn winds blow chilly and cold. September I'll remember. A love once new has now grown old. As I write this letter, my heart's beating much too fast for my pen. Soon I'll be in your arms again. To think I'll be with you, to taste all those sweet, sweet kisses once more. Darling, that's what I'm longing for. But most of all, I just want to hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I heard the sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love. Why ever did we part? I need reassuring. Those thoughts have been storing up in my mind. When I get home, what will I find? Will you still remember? And will your love be tender and strong? I've been away from you so long. So when I'm home, I just want to hear that wonderful sound. I love you. It brings sweet music to my heart. It's been so long since I heard the sound, that wonderful sound. I need you, my love. Why ever did we part? My love, why ever did we part?
heart for me. Now, I don't mean to bother you, but I'm in distress. There's danger of me losing all of my happiness. For I love a girl who doesn't know I exist, and this you can fix. So, Cupid, draw back your bow and let your arrow go straight to my lover's heart for me. Nobody but me. Cupid, please hear my cry and let your arrow fly straight to my lover's heart for me. Now, Cupid, if your arrow make a love stone for me, I promise I will love her until eternity. I know between the two of us her heart we can steal. Help me if you will. So, Cupid, draw back your bow and let your arrow go straight to my lover's heart for me. Nobody but me. Cupid, please hear my cry and let your arrow fly straight to my lover's heart for me. Now, Cupid, don't you hear me calling you? I need you, Cupid, help me. I need you.
Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what a fool I've been. I wish that it would go and let me cry in vain, and let me be alone again. The only girl I care about has gone away, looking for a brand new start. But little does she know that when she left that day, along with her she took my heart. Rain, please tell me now, does that seem fair? For her to steal my heart away when she don't care. I can't love another when my heart's somewhere far away. The only girl I care about has gone away, looking for a brand new start. But little does she know that when she left that day, along with her she took my heart. Rain, won't you tell her that I love her so? Please ask the sun to set her heart aglow. Rain in her heart and let the love we knew start to grow. Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain, telling me just what a fool I've been. I wish that it would go and let me cry in vain, and let me be alone again. Oh, listen to the falling rain. Pitter patter, pitter patter. Oh, listen, listen to the falling rain. Pitter patter, pitter patter.
Ilangarod na malan gagayam ti nakabuklan na iti programa tayo itamalem. Thank you man natin kay panarabay. Sabi lang kumata na liwliwada kayo. Uray pagkanito lang. Well, nagsublit programa tayo ito namaya Lunes. Kasi malang oras ka na itong estasyon. Ang palang ti radyo tayo. So, dala pa lang iti digital TV can iti YouTube. Nakadwa tayo iti technical side. Ni John Gumintong. Manen, ito'y pakadapan samantala, ito'y pagayam yo. Pagayam yo iti lang atangken, karagiti lang langalang your dear. Manong June. Kalalwa tayo ang kanayon, keep praying, kakabsatom doon kasta. Kanayon na tayo nga tarabayan tiyapo. Ipayan, karagiti bendisyon. Panakapili tayo kang kanayon nga maipapayan, karagiti nga blessings. Kan panagbalin tayo nga blessing, karagiti mga tao. So enjoy the rest of the day. Bye-bye!
Ang saranggola at ang tali nito ay maaaring lumapit